I value myself a lot. I देखो, एक होता है कि मुझे फ़िल्में करनी है, एक होता है कि मुझे I want to be her, I'll do anything to be her. That is toxic, that is dangerous, that is a red flag. Today my child doesn't watch TV, but the day he watches, I would love to show him my films without cringing, very proudly, you know. So I was very sure about that. And there are a lot of people who ask me questions like, but what if the role demands? What do you mean the role demands? I mean, if the role demands you to jump from the 30th floor, are you going to jump for the role? You have to know what you want to do in life. Then it doesn't matter competition, लोग क्या कहेंगे, अरे you're so talented, why are you not doing more films? अरे but जो फिल्में मैं करना चाहती हूँ वैसी फिल्में बनती नहीं है ना, बने तो मैं करूँगी. I'll wait, just like I waited for the right guy. It's a difficult profession to be in, but you have to have clarity, you have to have family support, you have to have a lot of maturity to deal with this profession. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हुई मेरे लाइफ में when I suddenly realized, and it was very clear in my life, that अभी मैं अगर कोई फिल्म करूँ भी नहीं, I'm okay. You know, तो yeah, it was like the Aditya Chopra offer that came. So who are you? Ki I was dating Anmol, and we happened to be in Delhi. I was shooting for Jolly LLB at that time. और मैं दिल्ली में थी, कुछ किसी इवेंट के लिए थी, एंड आई अर्ली मॉर्निंग आई गॉट अ मैसेज फ्रॉम आदि सर सेइंग दैट आई वांट टू मीट यू, आई वांट हैव अ मीटिंग, सो लेट मी नो व्हेन. सो आई टोल्ड हिम मैं दिल्ली में हूँ, आके मिलती हूँ एंड ऑल दैट. Now this was not the first time Adi ji had like called me. I had met him twice before, but the films were like Neil and Nikki या फिर बचना है हसीनों. Those films I didn't relate myself to those characters. तो मुझे वो बहुत ही, it's not a great thing to say no to someone, you know, it's very difficult to say no to someone. बहुत ही politely, respectfully मुझे वो फिल्में decline करनी पड़ी. This time when he messaged me, I was like, अब मुझे लग रहा है कि कुछ अच्छा होगा, you know, the kind of films that I want to do, ये कुछ ऐसा offer होगा. So I remember I went to the Yash Raj studio. Anmol drove me to the Yash Raj studio for that meeting, and Adi sir was sitting in his huge palace kind of an office room. And the first question he asked me was that, Amrita, I've met you before, twice before, and I've offered you films. And that time you had certain reservations that were sacred to you. Do you still have those reservations? So I said, sir, what is the role? So he said, I'm not calling you for just a role. I want to sign you as an in-house Yash Raj artist, because I see that you have a lot of potential, and I'm building like a bank of good actors, and I want you to be a Yash Raj artist. तो वो मेरे लिए इतना बड़ा मौका था, okay? But what I liked about Adi sir was he had such clarity of thought. He said, see, I'm not offering you just a role or something that I can narrate to you. All I can tell you is that if you come, you join the Yash Raj, you know, we will make sure that, you know, we'll give you the best training, the best whatever, fitness, styling, everything. And you'll be right out there, you know, working in the best of films, the topmost actors. But you have to decide. Once you surrender in good faith, then you have to surrender, like no questions asked. You know, then you have to be it will be like kissing scene हो सकता है, कुछ भी outfit shot हो सकता है. You questions नहीं पूछ सकते आप. But you have to trust us that we make our heroines look sensuous, not vulgar, not indecent, sensuous and attractive. But I'm very clear that मुझे सूरज जी के लिए बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है, बट मैं सूरज जी के ऑडियंस के लिए फिल्में नहीं बनाता. मैं कॉलेज ऑडियंस के लिए फिल्में बनाता हूँ जो they just want popcorn entertainment. They want to be, they're not judging you. Like, are you afraid of being judged? Like if you do a kissing scene on screen. I said, no, I don't really care about log kya kahenge. It's about me. You know, like mujhe kya karna hai screen pe. So he said, think about it. Acha, one more. I think I became a fan of him at that moment. He said, "इतना मत सोचो, just ask yourself one question. Are you happy? If the answer is yes, maybe I don't need you. But if the answer is नहीं, मुझे अभी भी वो भूख है और मुझे दिखाना है स्क्रीन पे और मैं यहाँ पे I want to continue doing films and go with the following generation, then please welcome aboard." So that was a turning point for me when I decided that sometimes in life you're just waiting for something कि ये मुझे मिले, and then God says ये लो, and you're like, oh my God, मुझे चाहिए नहीं था. So that was like such clarity of thought कि इसके बाद अभी मैं लाइफ में खुश हूँ. क्योंकि मुझे जो फिल्में करनी है, if they want an Amrita Rao, they will come to an Amrita Rao, because then nobody can fit those shoes, only Amrita Rao can. तो उसके बाद मुझे कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं था कि मुझे फिल्में मिल रही है नहीं मिल रही है, मैं कर रही हूँ, और लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग तो कुछ भी कहेंगे, कहते ही रहेंगे. तो अगेन सी, इंडस्ट्री बुरी नहीं है, इंडस्ट्री को बदनाम मत करो, मेक यूज ऑफ इट. यू हैव टू सिक्योर योर ओन सेल्फ, इज व्हाट आई फील.